Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So it's a little bit early. We've been up since 4 a.m. but we're on our way to Streets of Willow because it's a track day and we're gonna be running it with a few of the boys. So we're gonna get into that and hopefully we put down some fast times. Back here again. This time it's the counterclockwise configuration, so I'm hoping to get sub 140 because counterclockwise is supposed to be easier. But yeah, we're gonna go to the driver's meeting and then get into our first session. Oh damn, there ain't no one here, fool. Damn, no one's open. You're good. You're good. Alright, so putting on my sticker, because this is required whenever you go down the track. The reason why I'm not sticking it with the adhesive is because we're all trying to keep it. Because it's a nice number, and it's nice when there's a lot of people. I don't know what else to say there. But yeah, we're at the track. We're tracking with extreme speed. There's not many people today, so I think a lot of us can get PBs. But hopefully we drive well and have fun. Miatas are rolling through. Big wing, damn boy.
Very simply, HPDs are designed for you to go out and have fun, enjoy your car without CHP or anybody else giving you any kind of hassle. It can be a fairly long day. What's nice is right now, it's actually much better weather than it was yesterday.
Dude, this Nismo 350Z is so clean. Let's see what he puts down. These boys are running it, man. Lining up right here. Got a lot of Miatas, got a Mustang, an S2000, and the SI in the back. This is actually the high intermediate group, so I'm not running in this class. I'm in low intermediate.
Out. We got photos of you guys during the first session of the day. They are being displayed inside. We'll be shooting the next set and we'll let you guys know when we upload it. Thank you guys.
Hey, we got the whole squad in a photo shoot right now. Look at us. We 7 people deep, bro. All these people taking photos.
It's bold, bro.
Yeah, it's bold. It's like 40 degrees or something right now, honestly.
And windy.
We got some PBs today, which is good, and got a lot of first timers. Hopefully you guys had fun. Just finished up at Streets. I didn't film too much, unfortunately, because I was kind of just too focused on driving, but I did hit a PB. I got a 142 on counterclockwise, so that's a good thing. And a few of my friends did also hit PBs, including my brother. He got a 139, and then John and Ethan were first timers and they got pretty good times too. So it was all overall overall it was a successful day. So hopefully you guys liked that video, and I'll see you in the next one.